2 U.S. Embassy employees in Venezuela were injured on Tuesday in a shooting at a well-known Caracas strip club, police said. Officers heard shots around 4:25 a.m. at the Antonella 2012 club, better known as Angelus, in the upscale Chacao district, a police source told Reuters. One of the embassy employees, military attaché Roberto Ezequiel Rosas, was shot in the leg after a fight between club patrons, according to a police report. The second embassy official was shot in the stomach, but did not notice the injury until arriving home, the source said. In a terse statement, the embassy confirmed a, quote, incident, but gave few details. Venezuela has one of the world's highest homicide rates. Violent crime occurs primarily in the country's poor slums, but in recent years, assaults and shootings have become more common in well-to-do areas of the city. The Venezuela shooting may revive memories of an incident that embarrassed U.S. officials in Colombia last year. In that case, Secret Service agents helping to protect President Barack Obama were sent home for involvement with prostitutes.